Over time, your sewing needles can wear out and go blunt, which can mess up your stitches and even damage your fabric. This is why it's super important to change them on a regular basis. Let me show you how to do it. I'm using my Brother LS14s brand sewing machine. Before we change the needle, it's important to turn the machine off to avoid any injuries, like if the foot controller is accidentally pressed and the machine starts sewing. Now I'm going to lift the lever to bring my presser foot up, giving me enough space under the presser foot to place my fabric. Afterwards, I need to raise my needle. So I'm going to be using my hand wheel on the right side of my sewing machine, turning it away from me and raising the needle like this. It's also important to place a piece of fabric underneath the presser foot just to prevent the needle from falling inside of the hole of the needle plate. Now that that's done, I'm just going to be placing my fabric under the presser foot. Having everything into place, it's now time to change the needle. I'm going to be holding on to the needle, taking my screwdriver to turn the screw towards me very slowly and gently. Eventually, you'll feel that the needle is starting to loosen like this, and then it's now time to remove it. These are the needles that come with my sewing machine. They come in size 90-14. So I'll be taking one of these to replace for the sewing machine. If you've ever noticed, a needle has one flat side and one round side. This is the flat side and this is what it looks like. Now you want to place the flat side of the needle towards the back of the sewing machine. And then you want to hold on to the needle and insert the needle into the needle compartment until it touches the stopper. And I'll show you what the stopper looks like. This is what it looks like. Okay, now it's time to secure the needle. I'm going to be taking my screwdriver to tighten the needle screw. I'm going to be turning it away from me, and it's very important to make sure that the screw is fully tightened. It just helps to prevent the needle from breaking and to also avoid any damages to the machine. Guys, thank you so much for watching. Share this video with anyone who might find it helpful, and remember to subscribe to help grow our how-to sewing community.